Hi guys, I'm Marcela. I really hope you are well. In today's video we're going to do this gorgeous ponytail. I'm going to use those little accessories. As you can see, I have wanted to try them for so long and today was the perfect hairstyle to use them. I really hope you like it.
Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to show you how to do this cute ponytail with braids. Let's get started.
Okay, first of all we're going to prepare the hair. So I'm going to use a drop of our golden treatment. I'm going to rub it into my hands and I'm going to apply it all along the hair. I like to use it especially for the ends of the hair. And now we can comb it. As you can see, our treatment leaves the hair so shiny with no tangles, so it's perfect to start the hairstyle. Perfect. First of all, we're going to do a division on the top of the head like a circle, and we're going to hold the remaining hair for a while. Now we're going to do a division from one side to the other one, following the first division, and we're going to bring it to the crown. Hold this section. And now we can start braiding. I'm going to split this tiny section into 3 equal pieces and we're going to do a Dutch braid. We're going to cross the outside strands under the middle one, and in here I'm going to add hair to the braid. Again, cross under the middle and add a tiny piece of hair. Again, cross these strands under the middle one and we're going to add hair to the braid. The key for this hairstyle is adding the pieces really tiny, as you can see, so at the end we will have very defined braids. We're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again and keep in mind to do the braid on the division that we did. Okay, in here we almost finished. I'm going to do some more stitches of the braid and hold it with an elastic. Good. Now we're going to do another division very similar to the one that we did for the braid, but now we're going to start it on the other side. And now we can start braiding. We're going to do a Dutch braid as well, and remember adding the hair to the braid in tiny pieces. Great. With the remaining section of hair, in the middle we're going to do a Dutch braid, and this time we're going to add the hair from both sides. So keep braiding and hold the braid with an elastic at the end. In here we're going to grab the braids and we're going to hold them together. Now hold this section, and with the remaining hair we're going to comb it, bring it to the crown, and we're going to hold it into a high ponytail. Perfect. When we have both of the ponytails, we're going to hold all the hair with an elastic. And this is my little trick for the ponytail to look perfect at the end. To cover the elastics, I'm going to grab a small piece of hair, wrap the ponytail, and now grab another tiny piece of hair from the ponytail and hold the two sections with an elastic. And now it's time to use the accessories. I love them. Have you seen them? Let me know in the comments down below if you like them. I have them in the rose gold color. I love that color. So all we have to do is place them along the braids and we're done.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go to our website where you can find our golden treatment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. See you in the next video. Bye!